In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to use Dropout Developer's awesome new tool, the AI-powered project generator. This genius piece of software makes starting a coding project a total breeze. I simply enter some basic details about what I want to build, and the AI takes over from there. It automatically creates an entire project structure for me with all the files I need to hit the ground running. I can even generate code snippets for each part with one click. Whether you're a pro dev looking to speed up your workflow or just starting out and wanting an extra hand, this tool is an absolute game changer. Let's check it out.